Worried about keeping your customers' credit card data safe on your website? Let's break down how Stripe.js makes handling payments surprisingly secure. First up is tokenization. When a customer enters their card details on your website, Stripe.js immediately replaces that sensitive data with a unique, non-sensitive token. This token is what your server actually interacts with, meaning the real credit card numbers never touch your servers at all. This dramatically reduces your risk of a data breach because there's no card data to steal. Next, Stripe is a certified PCI DSS Level 1 service provider, the highest level of security certification in the payment industry. This means Stripe undergoes rigorous annual audits and adheres to strict security standards to ensure your data, and your customers' data, is protected. Finally, Stripe uses powerful encryption methods, both in transit and at rest. All data transmitted between your customer's browser and Stripe servers is encrypted using HTTPS, preventing eavesdropping. So, with tokenization, PCI compliance, and robust encryption, Stripe.js handles a heavy lifting of payment security, giving you peace of mind and protecting your customers.